Hey, buddy, let's rasta! Wow, look at these. They're glowing. Look at these glowing footprints. They're leading somewhere. I wonder where they go. Hey, hello, Felix. We got you. Who are you? Wow, it's so bright. Look, the door's open. Let's go. Hey, I'm waiting for you. Yes, Mom. Hello, everyone. This is so much fun. Woof, woof. Hi there. Welcome to our village. We've got this. Just hold on tight. Hey, Felix, hang on. I've got you. Don't worry. We'll get you down safely. We did it. We found the rainbow. You're a true friend, little one.
Woof, woof.
Hello, Felix. It's been great meeting you. I'll never forget this adventure someday.